In this video, I'm going to break down why your Facebook ads are actually not showing up on your Facebook page. So there's two types of ads. There's one that's called a blind ad, and there's one that's called a Facebook page ad. So the way that you go through and set this up, if you want it to actually show on your Facebook business page, you'll want to create the ad as a normal post on your Facebook page. And that way all of your followers are going to be able to see it. They're going to be able to like it, comment. If you have a link, they'll be able to click out to it. And then when you go through and you create a Facebook ad, you can choose that post as the ad. So let me just show you guys how to do this real quick. So we'll just click on create, and we'll move through these first couple of steps fairly quickly just because I want to get to the point where we actually show you guys. So we're just going to go through. We're not going to mess around with the budget or anything like that. We're going to get to the ad level. And if you went through and created a post on your Facebook page, you're going to come over here to use existing post, and you'll be able to select that post. You can see right here, select post, and you'll be able to select one of your previous posts that you made and run that as the actual ad. Now if you come over here and you click on create ad, this is where it's going to be one of those blind ads. So this is not going to show to everyone on your Facebook page, all your Facebook following. You won't see this in the newsfeed of your Facebook page. And sometimes this is beneficial because sometimes you're running, like, let's say a retargeting ad, and you're only going to be showing that ad to people that already visit your website or watched a video. So you don't want necessarily everyone to actually see that Facebook post. So real quick, if you go through and you create the ad within the Facebook Ads Manager, you go through the steps just like you would create a post. Once again, this is called a blind ad, and it's not going to show up on your Facebook page in that newsfeed. If you do want it to show up so that all of your followers, all your likes and all that stuff are going to see it, then you'll want to create it first right here on your Facebook page, and then come up here, and instead of using create an ad, click use existing post, and then select what post that you would like to use as your Facebook ad.